After I learned to make pasta like this, my family asks for it every week. Start by slicing 200 g of pepperoni. That's just the start of our delicious adventure. Next, heat a frying pan with olive oil, add the sliced pepperoni and fry until golden brown. The sound of frying is the music that plays in our kitchens. As soon as they're at the perfect point, remove the pepperoni. And they will be so crispy. Get ready for the flavor. Now, on a cutting board, slice a piece of onion. And what would a dish be without our friend the onion? It's essential. Also cut 2 tomatoes. Juicy tomatoes always add that special touch. Return to the frying pan, add 2 cloves of garlic, top with the chopped onion and fry until golden brown. Then add the chopped tomatoes and fry for a minute. We're almost there. Then add 150 g of tomato sauce, the fried pepperoni and cook for 2 minutes. It's magic time. Once this is done, add 160 g of pasta and mix well. The noodles are the protagonists of this delicious story. Add 350 milliliters of water. And don't forget to mix everything again. Season with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. Mix again, and let it cook for 7 minutes. 7 minutes of pure anticipation. The kitchen will fill with incredible aromas. After the cooking time has elapsed, check that it's ready and add spring onions and parsley to taste. Look at the beautiful color. It's almost perfect. And here it is. Our wonderful penne pasta with pepperoni is ready to be served. It made your mouth water, didn't it? Did you like this recipe? Then don't forget to like and follow our page to get more great tips like this. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure.